everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and today we are going to be cooking oven baked chicken drumsticks with red potatoes. This recipe I'm dedicating to all the hardworking parents out there that need a fast recipe to feed the family and get their day, going. These are going to be the ingredients here. We need drumsticks. I have 10 chicken drumsticks here, ketchup, mustard, oregano, black pepper, cooking spray, and the red small potatoes. I already went ahead and I got this ready for you guys. I poured 1 cup of mustard and 1 cup of the ketchup. We're gonna place all of our drumsticks inside the bowl. Make sure that when you guys do that, they're all covered with the sauce that we're gonna be creating here. So make sure that your hands are clean because we're gonna have to use our hands. And keep on mixing them in. It's a little messy. We're gonna add the oregano and the black pepper in a second. See, so you want your drumsticks to be like this. Oh, nice and covered with the sauce. Okay. We're gonna add the oregano. I normally just do a handful. I don't really have measurements, guys. I'm sorry. I'm still learning how to cook with measurements because normally when I cook by myself, I just go and cook, and I don't need measurements, but I'm gonna learn how to do that so I get a more precise recipe for you guys. I think I need a little more oregano. Yeah, you guys could just pour it on here like this. We're gonna add the black pepper. The same thing is make sure that you guys are mixing it in. You guys want everything nice and covered with this sauce. Okay, so this is what the chicken looks like, all nice and covered. Before doing this, the next step, I already have my oven preheating at 400 degrees because these are gonna be baked in the oven. So I'm gonna get my tray ready here. I'm gonna put a little bit of the cooking spray. This is butter flavored, just to cover the bottom. And we're gonna place our chicken drums all side by side. And they are gonna be so delicious. Any extra sauce, make sure that you guys put it on here, either with your hand or spatula. My hands are clean, so I could do it with my hands. I work faster with my hands. And if you guys want, and you guys could add a little bit more of the oregano. Okay, so we have our potatoes here. I'm gonna add some cooking spray, just like I did with the chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and these are gonna be cooking side by side with the chicken, okay? A little bit of flavor here. I'm gonna place them just randomly wherever you see a spot. And if you want more potatoes, you can. If you guys are gonna, depending on the amount of chicken you guys are cooking, you guys are gonna need more ketchup and more mustard, but for 10 chicken drumsticks, this was a good amount. We're gonna cover this up and put it in the oven, and then come back and check on it. Okay, so we're gonna cover this up. We're gonna cover our chicken up, and we're gonna cook it for a whole hour at 400 degrees. I'm gonna come back and check it after half an hour because I'm gonna turn these over so they're all well cooked. Okay, they're going in the oven. I'm gonna put a timer for half an hour, and dinner's gonna be almost ready. Okay, so we're gonna check on our chicken. This has been cooking for half an hour at 400 degrees. And like you guys can see, looks very good. We're gonna turn them over, and then we're gonna put them back in the oven for another half an hour, and then by then they should be ready to go. Okay guys, so our chicken is ready. I'm gonna show you guys how it's nice and tender, and the potatoes are all good, and we have all this extra sauce here that you guys could add on the chicken when you guys are serving it for dinner. Like you guys can tell, I had to do a quick outfit change because this recipe, since it cooks for an hour, it gives me time to go and do other things. For example, I went and I took a quick body shower, I did some laundry, and now I'm back and dinner's ready. So that's pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and try it at home. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Provecho!